Hey guys, how's it going? How to find trending topics using Perplexity AI. In my case, I'm going to use social media for example. So I'm going to type trending topics on social media, right? On social media, okay? And I'm going to type 2024 in case that I want something fresh and new, so I can use it on my short or long form videos. And as you can see right here, short form and video content, short videos are remain dominant, social commerce, authenticity, and playful content. So I'm going to choose the short form, right? Short form, trending, right? Trending topics, okay? And then I'm going to enter, right? And as you can see right here, short form content continues to dominate social media trends. And ask a follow-up question to get to your point, right? Video consumption, 90% of internet traffic will be from short form videos. Popular trends on TikTok. Notable trends include TikTok made me buy it challenge, food challenges, and self-growth themes like hope core. Okay, and I'm gonna choose the TikTok, right? TikTok made me buy it, right? And I'm gonna select like what niche, right? Or what product, for example, to make customers or followers, let's say, buy, okay? And then you're gonna forward it, right? You're gonna go deep. TikTok made me buy it, hashtag, and here you're gonna see the product. Heatless hair curling set, favorite for achieving curls without heat damage. You have the portable humidifier and remote scrolling ring, and you have the oversized hoodies, right? These products reflect the diverse interests of TikTok users. I'm gonna pick one of the products and I'm gonna go with it and make sure that you add the hashtag before you post TikTok made me buy it. So in my case, I'm gonna take that hashtag and I'm gonna select one of those products that people wanna buy, and then I'm gonna post it using the hashtag TikTok made me buy it. The same goes with every topic that you follow or any niche. In my case, I love social media. I invest a lot in social media shorts, so I'm using TikTok as an example, but do that information what you will. So that's one of the comments of this video. Hope you don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.